I was a young man when I started this company. It's been in business 53 years. And we've been building for the sign industry, and we've been building for the traffic light industry in the United States. And we have distributors all over the state. In the United States, we got about 35 distributors that sell our products to different cities, as well as all through the Caribbean. So we're the inventor of this product. We created it for this industry. We've listened to what the people wanted. This one is our newest model. This came out 10 years ago with this platform. Normally this vehicle, as you see it now, would be used with a bucket, a fiberglass bucket. Well, it's too confining for them to work with a traffic light. They used to have to rope up the traffic light to replace it and down with a bucket because it was only for one man. Now I invented this platform, which easy access. You don't have to climb over nothing to get in and out. You step in and out. You can take a traffic head and sit it in there with you, and you go up and you change them out. You come back down, take the traffic head and put it in the back of the truck. This is a scissor lift. It traverses left or right, and that will help you with a full sign. We just finished 8 of these for the city of Miami. They've been using them for years, and they just ordered another 8 for replacement. And it's called the SLT-29. The SL is a scissor lift, 29 foot of working height, and then the T to traverse. It goes 5 feet this way and 5 feet that way. By the way, this one fits in the back of a pickup truck. It's a backup unit that they use for just a quick repair, change light bulb or etc. And this goes 12 foot to the right, as you'll see it there. Got storage compartments on it. This auger digs the hole. We've eliminated the ladder. So many people get injured trying to set a ladder on a surface like this on a round pole, and it's twisted and rolling. So that's when I came up with the idea, for listening to the complaints about products, and that's how we design things. As you say, who's the mother of invention? Necessity.